this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit draft and post it on your Twitter. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If you are an ardent Twitter user and want to post something on the web but are not too sure about it, here's what you can do. You can just type your tweet and save it as a draft to tweak or edit it later. On my previous video, I've shown you how to save your tweet to draft and where to find the draft. And in this video, I will show you how to edit your draft and post it. It's so simple. So first of all, we have to open our Twitter. Now you can just tap on the up left corner. You can go to your profile. Tap on the up right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on draft. And here's all your draft on your Twitter. Now you can choose on the tweet that you want to edit. You can tap on hold like this. Tap on edit draft. Now you can just edit like add caption or edit the picture where if you draft the picture. After that, you can just pause it, tap on the up right corner. So here's your tweet that you just draft. It's a simple right? So that is how to edit and post your draft on Twitter. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!